Assignment operators in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will discuss the assignment operators in Python programming language. Basically, in Python programming language, assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Let's see that. Here we have a simple example. This is a simple assignment operator that assigns the value 10 on the right side to the variable called x on the left side. Also, there are various compound operators in Python programming language. This way is used to add a value briefly to the value of the variable. And here we used this way to add 5 to the original x value, so that the value of x variable becomes 15 and not 10. And this way is used for all other mathematical operations, such as subtraction, multiplication, division, and others. You will find that we subtract the number 5 from the last value of x variable, which is 15 and not 10. So in this case the result is equal to 10. And with this, the new value for the x variable is equal to 10. And we can also use multiplication. The value of the x variable is now 20. And this is a result of multiplying the last value of x variable, which is 10, by the number 2. Finally, to clarify further, we can use the division operation on the same approach. As you can see in this case, dividing 20 by 4 equals 5. And for the division operation in Python programming language, the result is always a floating point number, 5.0, as you can see. Also, you can use this method with many other operations, such as floor division, modulus, exponents, and many more. That's it. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.